everybody, because it's really boring and I don't know what I'm supposed to do. So today I will try a simple high fashion photo shoot and I will do it by myself. From makeup, photo shoot until editing. Okay everybody, let's get started. So, before makeup, I always using Innisfree. This is a pore clay mask. Pore clay mask, okay, this is really nice because make your skin not oily. And after that, I'm gonna use a Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Toner from Some by Me. And also I use a Snail Truth Shadow. It's same, Some by Me, right? So definitely I'm not gonna use a Clarins for a foundation, but I use a Maybelline cushion foundation because it's really nice for my skin too. And the color is sand beige. And after that, I'm gonna use Maybelline New York and vitamin C. Wow, this is a lot of for my skin. Wow. And I'm gonna use powder pack. Yep, powder pack from Maybelline too. Gonna use this. Oh, my skin is really nice now. It's not, I don't have pimple already. Right. So after that, I'm gonna use Innisfree or red color, of course, because actually I don't have a lot of colors. I just have a smoky eyes and naturals. Maybe one day I will buy a blue color or maybe yellow or neon color. Okay, I don't know. I'll put this. This is really nice. Oh my god, this is really nice. Just make your eyes pops. Wow. And after that, I'm gonna mix with the gold color, I think, because definitely I'm not gonna use a smoky color, maybe a gold color, right? Because I will put in the middle is a gold color. So okay, I will that. And for finally, I will using a peripera. So I already put my picture in Photoshop, and actually this is my first picture and I really like that, so I will editing this picture first. So after that, I will change a curve in here and I will lock that because I wear a red clothes and I want to make a little bit red. Oh wow, look at that, that's blue, it's nebula. Or it's like an avatar, but yeah, well, I don't like a Hellboy too, but I just want to make a little bit good. Alright, right one is nice. So after that, I'm gonna use a burn, okay, and burn a little bit in here. Yep, I think it's too much. Okay, and after that, I will change adjustment and a little bit contrast, just a little bit, it's okay. And don't forget about the curve, a little bit dark right here. And after that, it's because I think my skin now is good, so okay, just that. I don't want to change again. And after, I will take my lens flares, this one, and I have a lot of picture in here, so it's really complicated. And I will screen this. Yep. And also I will try to make a little bit bigger. Just this one is for skin lighting, you know. So, or maybe I just try this one is okay. That's something like that. So this is the ending. Thank you so much.